Hi friends. I microwaved my Buldak Ramen with cheese. I decided to upgrade the last packet of every Buldak Ramen flavor that I have. Sometimes I get it right. Sometimes I get it wrong. Today I am going to upgrade Buldak cheese. I microwaved many pieces of mozzarella cheese and sprinkled lots of ground black pepper on top of it. The cheese helps make the ramen less spicy. The flavor of the black pepper helps to cut through the greasiness of the cheese. It's too cheesy, so I will give this a moderate pass. Will you try this? Or how do you prefer to upgrade your ramen?